Hey there, in this video, I'll show you how to get started with HootBoard's digital signage software. So at this point, you should have already created a screen ID for your HootBoard account and then paired it with a Google Chromebit, Chromebox, or another computing device. And then that would be connected to an HD display. So if you need some help on any of those steps, we do have videos for those. Since HootBoard software is cloud-based, you'll be setting up everything from your account over here on the left, which is at hootboard.com. And then over here on the right, we'll be showing you what happens to your display as you make those changes. So let's get started by navigating to your board and then go into Admin, Manage Screens, and go to the Digital Signage tab. So what we're going to do here is each screen ID you create or have created has individual settings that are unique to that ID that can be toggled or adjusted. So let's walk through a few of them and see what they do. So the first one, which is show post from a collection, lets you show a subset of Hoots on your display. So you don't have to show all the content and you can only show specific content. So say, for example, you only wanted to show content that's been tagged as events, you would select that collection, or maybe anything that's been tagged hashtag lobby, you can do that. And if you wanted to add new collections, you can do that at Admin Manage Board. Going on to the next one, show board information lets you have a slide that will appear that lets the end user know a bit more about your organization and what they do and what they'll find on the screen. The info for this is populated from Admin Manage Boards, the Board Info tab. The show poster name pops up an area on the display that will show who added the Hoot. This is good if there's multiple people adding content and you want to let the end user know who posted it or what department posted it. The last one we'll walk through is to prompt members to join on mobile. This will show a slide that provides instructions on how to have end users be able to sign up on HootBoard's mobile app and be able to access and view that content later on. And then once they do sign up, we have various notifications and automated newsletter that goes out, which they'll be notified once new content gets added. So moving on, there's another valuable feature to use on your displays, which is the ability to add custom messages to the bottom ticker. That's found on this tab over here. And then you can specify which specific screen ID that you want these messages to appear on. So it can be all of them or just specific ones. The last part of getting started with your digital signage setup would be to start adding Hoots and content. So as you add Hoots, the displays will update real time. The default layout is what we call 60/40, which looks like this, where the image will be over here on the left and any title, description, text, event information, location information will be over here on the right. And other option that's frequently used is the full screen option, which is better for more professionally created graphics where it'll take that image that you upload and make it go full screen. One other last tip would be if you add multiple images to a Hoot, they will cycle through them. So this is good. For example, if you have a bunch of pictures from an event, you can upload it under one Hoot and then it'll rotate through them a bit quicker. And then the last tip we'll walk through is we do have a partnership with Zapier, which will allow you to integrate with any apps on their platform. And they have over 1,000 where you can set rules where content will automatically get posted to HootBoard. So a good example would be with Instagram. As you add a post to your Instagram account, you want it to go to HootBoard and then in turn it would update your displays. So if you do, these are some of the basic features. If you do want to learn about some more advanced features, you can visit the following site. And then of course, if you have any emails or any questions at any time, you can email us at support@hootboard.com. Thanks.